See, now we today discussing about the topic is the potentiometer. Which topic we discussing by the potentiometer? This is the one of the important topic for any 8 marks question. Now the using of this potentiometer, the what will be the calculating, the which we can the find it, that will be discussing by there. Now, so the potentiometer is an instrument. The potentiometer is an instrument which can measure accurately the EMF of a source. See what is the potentiometer is an instrument. The potentiometer is an instrument which can measure accurately the EMF of a source or potential difference across any part of an electric circuit without drawing any current. See, that means the current when be the constant, we can find out the potential difference on the wire, and also we can find out the accurately EMF of a source. See, that is a potentiometer. Now see the principle of this potentiometer. What we discussing by the principle of potentiometer. Principle of potentiometer. When a current is passing through a see what is that? When a current is passing through a wire of uniform cross section, potential difference between any 2 points, potential difference between any 2 points on the wire is directly proportional to its length. Is proportional to its length. See, that is V is directly proportional to its length. See, observing what is the principle is there. When a current is passing through wire of uniform cross section, for example, this is considered the Y. What is considered this Y? So this is considered the Y. This uniform cross section is considered the A. The potential difference between any 2 points on the wire. For example, in this wire, we are considered this is the 2 points. This is A point. Now this is considered the B point. Now its length, the A and B between the length, points are between the length, what is considered by the L. Now this potential difference between any 2 points on the wire is directly proportional to its length. See, this is the principle of a potentiometer. Now can explain this principle of potentiometer. Say explanation. See, explanation. We can discussing about the principle of potentiometer. See, now also say that the proof of this principle of potentiometer. See, let us consider a wire of manganese around 10 meters. See, how many meters are taken by other? 10 meters. But each having 1 meter length. Each having the 1 meter length. See that each having the 1 meter length is the fixed on a the fixed on a wooden plank parallel to each other. Parallel to each other means, see, this is the 1 meter of length of manganese wire. This is the second one. This means 2 meters, and this is the 3 meters, and 4 meters, and 5 meters, and 6 meters, and 7 meters, 8 meters, 9 meters, and it is taken by the 10 meters. See, this is the actually this is the total is around of a 10 meters of manganese wire. Now each having 1 meter length. How much is the each having the 1 meter length? The fixed on a wooden plank. Where is the fixed by the wooden plank? The parallel to each other. Now this end of the manganese wire. This each end of the manganese wire. This is attached with a copper strip. So which is the attached with a copper strip. So this is the attached by the copper strip. So this is the copper strip we can be attached by there. Now the both ends we can attach with a copper strip and form here the A and B of the points of the initial and final of a length of the wire. See, now here is point of A and this is the point of what is considered B. This is the 2 points can be formed by this A and B of this manganese wire. It's manganese wire. Now this A and B, the A and point B point is between the connected of a battery of EMF E, and positive and negative, and it is acrosses we are connected by the plucky K, and it is acrosses we are connected by the resistance box. So that is the RS, the series adjustable resistance. The series adjustable resistance here connected by there, and this 3R is connected in series, and this end is connected to the final end of a potentiometer wire. See, this total construction is called as the potentiometer, and this manganese wire, the parallel to we are connected by the 1 meter scale. The what is connected by the parallel to the 1 meter scale. This is the meter scale, because of we can find out this null points to measuring of this using of a meter scale. So this is a copper strip, this is a meter scale, and this will be what is called this manganese wire. So this is the manganese wire.